Return to home is activated by pressing the home button on either controller and holding it down for 3 seconds. You'll then get an audible confirmation that the home point has been activated. To check your return to home settings before you fly, you go into the DJI Fly app, click on the 3 dots top right, and a menu will drop down. Click on safety, and then you've got manual obstacle avoidance. Bypass or brake will affect the return to home. Bypass gives you more freedom on return to home. Then you've got advanced return to home, preset and optimal. I normally use optimal. If you go for the preset, then the auto return to home altitude of 50 meters will kick in when you hit the return to home button. But if you select optimal, the drone will find its own path home based on its own surroundings, and it'll have a little bit more freedom if you've put the bypass option on rather than the brake option. When you take off, the home point is updated to where you've taken off from. And I'm going to fly a weaving pattern, just flying the drone forward. You can see I'm weaving to the right and then to the left, and just flying out 150, 170, 200 plus feet away, 240 feet away. I'm going to rise now. Then I get ready to hit the return to home button. I'm going to hit the return to home button now. So just pressing it now, there you go. So return to home is engaged, and you'll see there's a green flight path, an AI flight path. You can see it's flying and then it's going down now, and you'll see we're weaving a little bit in and out. It's in effect following the route that it went out there. So it's returning to home all the way back. As soon as it gets above the pad, the drone will turn around the way it was facing when it took off, and it'll lower itself down and land itself. And that's the first return to home. Let's take off again for the second return to home. Home point has been updated again, as you can see, and we'll fly out a similar route out over the field, 200 feet away. Going to hit return to home. There we go. And let's watch the second return to home. Now this time it's going along at a steady pace. Height's 38 feet. It's now dropping down, and it's coming back a different route than the first one, as you can see. So it's flying back, coming back in at 10 feet. Now turning around as it always does, and turning around so that it faces the way it took off. But I can cancel the landing at any time by just pressing the button on the controller, the red button there, or the actual home button, pause button on the front of the controller. That will stop the landing, stop the return to home at any time. Okay, for good measure, let's go for a third return to home. So we've taken off, home points updated, flying out into the field like we did before. Going to go a little shorter this time, 135 feet, hit the return to home button, and here it comes back. Coming back at the lower level now, hasn't made its decision to go any higher. Going to route itself back, and I'm going to record it with my phone as it comes in, and you can see it here landing as it comes in, and then it just lowers itself down, turns around, and lowers itself down onto the pad. And that's 3 successful returns to home with the optimal setting. I'm now going to go back to the garden and try the other 2 settings for return to home. So I'm going to hit the button on the top right, scroll down through the menu, the safety menu, and we're going to hit update home point. Now when I hit the update home point, I can choose that the update is where the controller is, or I'm going up to where the aircraft is. You can only do this when the drone is in the air. So we've selected the controller. We've now, home point has been successfully updated, and it shows you in both places on the screen. If I press the home point now, it would come back to where the controller is, the position of the controller. The final home point selection is where the aircraft is. And if I hit the aircraft now, the home point will be updated to the current position of the aircraft. I hope this video has been helpful on the Air 3S. Happy flying, bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.